Finally, I have arrived at the Vanchai Computer Center. So let me put on my marks and then let's go inside to buy my new full frame. I really do not want to get into full frame because I used the full frame back in the days, Sony A7 and Nikon D610. But I'm a Micro Four Third lover. Let's go inside. I don't know how I'm feeling right now. Like I cannot explain my feeling because I'm upgrading my camera, which is a good thing. I should be happy, but at the same time, like I'm a beloved Micro Four Third user. So it's very hard to tell you like how much I love the Micro Four Third platform. I really love the Micro Four Third platform. Like, so now let's go inside and then let's see. Hello, Panasonic S5.
Oh, you WhatsApp for us?
Yeah, WhatsApp. Yes.
With the lens, right?
With the lenses.
Yes.
I pay $4,000 by the voucher. Okay.
4,000 in voucher.
Yeah.
Octopus.
Alipay.
Alipay. Yeah.
This one I pay cash.
Yeah. Alipay is 1%.
Okay,
You know,
4,000. 1%.
1.5.
1.5. Okay.
Yeah, 1.5.
Okay, 4,000.
Yeah.
1.5. So 60 plus 4,000. 4,060. Okay, I pay by voucher and rest I pay 10,480 cash.
Yeah.
Okay.
S5 with the lens.
Yes, 5 with the lens. So finally I'm upgrading it. Normally I'm use the Micro Four Third camera for my.
Four camera.
Yeah. I already use Olympus EM5 Mark III.
EM5 Mark III.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's why you can using.
Yeah, I'm thinking to upgrade. Like, yeah, I want something like maybe better quality. This one brand new, right?
Yeah, brand new. This is the latest model.
Latest model.
Yeah.
So normally I'm just buying for my YouTube. I have my YouTube channel also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we see the company WhatsApp.
Yes. Robert, this is the camera.
如果今日俾到訂是可以的。
S5 kit.
Quite nice.
Yeah. I really like the lens 20 to 60.
Which color is it?
You don't have the Panasonic the TZ100 compact camera.
Yeah, 嗰個 out of stock.
Out of stock. If you have stock, let me know.
Yeah.
Because I want to carry one camera here, like easy take out.
Or snapshot 啦。
So, yes, snapshot. Yeah.
Quickly.
I like that one.
係啊。
Also, I like the viewfinder. No need to. I use the RX100. Use two hand problem. RX100.
RX100.
Yeah, viewfinder. We
Uh-huh.
first left view hand, two hand camera operation, not one hand. Yeah. I like
The
the
Sony one.
yes, only one.
係咯。
Yeah. You have to first take out the viewfinder.
Viewfinder.
Yeah. For the EVFK.
哈哈哈哈。
So okay.
Okay, maybe try this one.
Yeah, try this one.
Yeah.
Oh, we are going to try the
Rabia?
camera. Okay.
दूसरे हाथ में कर लो.
Yeah. You see the lens here, the
Lens here.
body here.
The body here.
Yeah. And this is the shoulder strap.
Shoulder strap.
Yeah.
It's okay, Rabia.
Yeah. You take a look.
Okay.
I think the size is good.
So Rabia, take my picture.
Good for you.
So here's my Panasonic S5.
yeah.
Oh, picture.
It's okay.
Please take a picture.
Yeah, this one picture.
Okay. Yes. Okay, ready? One more.
Are you
Yeah.
done?
Video or photo?
Photo.
Photo 啊，photo 啦，係啦。
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
That's good. That's nice.
I like it. Oh, I like it. Let me just hold my camera.
I think you know very well about.
Yeah, I know. I use Panasonic G7, G9, GH4,
Yeah.
GH3 also.
Yeah.
What is the specialty in the new model?
This one is full frame.
Yeah, full frame.
Full
yeah.
frame.
Yes. But remember, you have to use some full frame lens.
Yeah, full frame. So this nowadays lenses are expensive. Maybe I will be getting like some full frame or even
Yeah.
use APS-C lens Sigma.
Full frame, for example, the 70 to 300. the full
How
frame
much is
lens.
that one?
70 to 300. That is expensive. 70 to 300. Yes. Well, that is, but acceptable the price because compare other brand, the Panasonic still cheaper than other brand.
Around it will be 7, 8,000, 9,
Yeah, 8,300.
800. It's not expensive for a full frame.
係啊。
Yeah. So
If
Sony.
compare other brand Sony, maybe you pay 14,000 or
For, yeah,
15,000
yeah, 40,
already.
15, I know. Maybe,
Yeah.
maybe next month I will get that one because only 2 lenses can travel around the world.
Yeah, yeah,
20
yeah.
to 60 and
Because
7.
60, 70 to 200.
Yeah. I'm going to get the 8 to 25
8 to 25.
Olympus.
Ha, ha, ha.
Around 8,000 expensive.
Yeah, yeah.
I
yeah,
say it's
yeah.
much better I get a new camera.
Yeah, full frame.
Full frame.
And then maybe I use my battery to test.
Yeah, you test.
Because I just worry the battery, they are low power.
No, it's okay, it's okay.
This is BLK22. Okay.
Yeah. This one, how much is this battery?
This one is 280 Hong Kong.
280 Hong Kong. Any cheaper one like around?
This is already
Oh, this one is the another
cheaper
one.
yeah.
Oh,
Because
I
the Panasonic one about 600,
I was
700.
I was using the Panasonic Z9 battery,
Yeah,
different battery.
yeah. The sensor is really big.
Really very big,
Yeah,
as you can see.
You can compare the sensor.
Yeah, it's very tiny. Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
Okay.
I'm just buying this camera for this lens.
Yes.
This lens is like very wide and very good.
Yes.
Sony, no one have this kind of lens.
Yeah.
They only have like 17 to 28 or 14 to 28 something.
Okay, you try.
So, Rabbit, take my picture. Let me give the. Rabbit. Okay. So if you're wearing a mask, sometimes, for example, taking picture with a glasses can be a problem with my camera. So the EVF is small, but this EVF is big. I like it. Like I can easily use glasses and take a picture. It's okay. I like it.
No problem.
No problem. This one EVF is good. This one I take a picture. Sometimes fog come in my glasses. Very small.
I see.
Yeah, this one is very comfortable.
Oh.
I like the ice cup.
I cap. Yeah.
Yeah, it's very comfortable.
Comfortable.
Yes.
So what other free gifts come with this camera?
No free gift here. Okay. No free gift.
I give you the cleaning set lah.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much. My wife always free gift.
No problem. Just hope you happy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Cleaning set.
I buy this Osmo Pocket for you. Now you're happy.
Okay. At least you can clean.
Clean. Also, I want to ask, how much is the screen protector? Do you have?
The screen protector. Let me check. 180.
有冇嗰隻平啲嘅 little bit
平啲啊
around
但係呢個好似啱唔啱？
around 100 is
冇啊，
冇嘅
冇啊，嗰啲
冇嘅。
呢個睇下先，呢個睇下得唔得先啊？Maybe 咦？Maybe OK 喎呢個。
This one okay, maybe 100 because I don't buy expensive.
I know。咁樣呢個唔 fit 啊。
唔 fit 嘅冇問題啊。
差少少啊。
好啊。
因為嗰個邊個 edge 嗰度咧
哦
，maybe not tight，黐唔到落去。
Understood.
Maybe not
Understand.
maybe the plastic one.
Plastic one.
Yeah, the plastic one. 50 Hong Kong.
50.
係啊
Good.
呢個唔啱，not suitable。
No suitable.
係啊，好多 bad 啊，我都唔知邊個 bad。
冇問題冇問題。
冇問題咯。
battery 喺入邊嘅。
乜嘢啊？
嗰隻 battery 你
我攞咗啦，我攞咗啦，
好啊好啊好啊
我攞咗啦，唔該你，thank you。
唔該你啊。
包翻靚啲啦。
係啊，manual。哦，冇 manual 嘅。
manual 有啊呢度啊。
哦，我
係啊
我慢慢睇下嘅，
好大個
係啊，
manual
英文慢慢睇下嘅，呢個 full frame 嘅自己。
點係
係啊
你都識用啦，
係啊
你都唔使睇 manual 啦。
我用咗 Panasonic 嘅好多 Panasonic 有 LX100都用咗，
哇，LX100你都有啊？
係啊，佢爛咗嘅而家
哎呀，
跌咗，
壞咗。
係啊。
Hey, Jimmy, did you check the aperture?
Yeah, I already checked it up, yeah.
Okay, that's good.
跟住就包埋呢個啦，個 lens 啦。
係啊，我有嗰隻 LX10都有嘅，
哇，你好多
係啊，
camera。
我有好多 Panasonic 嘅，
你都好中意用 Panasonic。
係 Panasonic 好嘅，嗰隻 touch screen 嘅，
係。好多人買啊 Panasonic。
係啊。你睇我嗰隻有嘅 Panasonic 呢個 LX10 賣嘅，
係喎。
係啊，我用就嗰隻 Africa 嘅嗰邊用嘅 Panasonic Africa，
係。
啊嗰邊用嘅 Kenya 嘅，
哦。
係啊，LX10 好嘅，快啲，
快啲係啊，
係啊
你講得啱啊。
嗰隻
佢
Africa
user friendly 啲嘅。
係 user friendly 嘅，Africa 嗰隻嘅佢 some country not safe 嘅，
係。
係啊，你唔使攞呢個大 camera 嘅，係啊。
呢個 OK 啦，OK 啦。
OK
呢個我攞翻。
OK，
俾埋個。
慢慢啦，我俾嗰隻
OK
Alipay，
好啊，Alipay，我睇翻先。我哋嗰個平咗少少比上次，上次你問我貴啲啊嘛，
哦多謝晒啊，
今次平啲啊，14480，
好啊，
14480，咁嗰個保護貼就50蚊，
好
14530。
14530，
咁咧你有 Alipay 係4060係咪？
係，
好，
我俾等陣，慢慢你睇下，我俾4000係
4000
係plus 1.5% 嗰隻
好。
4000 times अपना ना करो आगे ना
Alipay 4000蚊
係
，4000 Alipay， 好，等一等。
好，pay now，
Pay now 係啦，你 Pay now 佢會
好啊
有個 paper 編出嚟，
好，
你要打個 password。
可唔可以 OK？
OK，processing。
not now，係咪？
Yeah。
係咪得
OK，thank you。
OK，依家係咪俾 cash 嘅？等陣，
好，
俾咗
呢個係商戶，呢個我嘅，
，OK，
跟住編埋你嗰個 customer 嗰個。
好啊
呢個用戶 customer，
，customer 嘅，
呢個 U 嘅。
要嘅好啊
OK。咁就係
，wait，
呢度加60蚊啦。
係60蚊，
14530加60蚊，減翻4000蚊，
係
減4000蚊，就係10590嘅。
好10590好，
係啦，
唔該你。
10590。
अभी
अच्छा वो मैं कैमरा लेके
6
6
7
7
8
8
9
9 yes。
Rabia, will you please 9
5 6 7 8 9 yeah
10
10,000 500
590 90 1 minute, I give 90.
10 10,500
10,000
10,600
10 fine.
$10 change。
$10 change.
Thank you。
Thank you.
$10，哎呀，你有冇$10 ？You have $10？
Yes, I have.
Yeah. Sorry, I only got $10.
No, I have 1 minute. I check.
Yeah, I like cons.
1 minute, I have 5. I have
Cons OK。
10. Okay, thank
多
you.
謝啦
多
，thank
謝
you。
我嘅
仲有個 camera
cam
case。
case 嘅係啊。राबिया उनको कह दो ना इतना ज़रूरी क्या तंग करना
呢個
नहीं कुछ तो
你
चाहिए
可以擺埋嗰個 lens together。
हो हमको ये हमको कुछ प्लास्टिक बैग है पहले यत मन
有啊，就係你俾我1蚊，
係
因為而家要1蚊。
係1蚊嘅唔使俾你有問題嘅知
係啊，
嘅
唔俾我有問題
係啊
啊，加文佢會有
個問題啊知嘅
捉我啊。
तो राबिया let's go I already got the camera put the money inside make sure put the money inside okay
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank
Ravi, just get it back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you very
tốt
much. Bye bye.
Yeah, you are done.
Down
Okay.
there, what? Bye, your finger.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. I already got my Panasonic S5 camera. I'm very happy. Now you have to subscribe to my channel because definitely you have to subscribe. So make sure to check out my outing channel, Online Travel Magazine. Bye.